What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'll be sharing with you step by step how you can open an XM account, make your first deposit, connect it to your MT5 or MT4 and make your first trade. Now with that said, let's head over to my laptop to get started. So once you're on the XM website, just select open an account. From the drop down, select your country of residence, provide your email address and your password. Once you provide your email address and password, select register. Now check your email address to validate your email. So my email has been verified and I was logged in successfully. Here you can claim your $30 to start trading for free. So you just want to verify your account by selecting verify now, provide your personal information, provide your address, and then select add financial details. So you're going to select what best applies to you. What is the purpose of opening a trading account? Select what best applies to you. What is your employment status? Select what best applies to you. Specify your nature of business. Specify your estimated income. What is the source of your funds? Provide your estimated network in USD. Provide your job description and your employer. Then scroll down, complete the relevant steps and select continue. So if you don't have a past employer, you're going to ensure that you put your current employer's information and put the date you started and the current date. And then you select continue. Have you had any forex education or traded at least 15 times in derivative products such as forex or contracts? Select yes and then select continue. Now here you need to verify your identity. So you'll need to provide your ID document here and your proof of residency here. And once you have selected all documents, select upload your documents. Now if you want to deposit money right away, select deposit. These are your deposit options. So you can select Visa debit cards, that's the fastest option. And then a non-verified account, you can deposit up to 2,500 US dollars. So here I'm just going to select deposit, specify the amount that you want to deposit. Let's say $5, select deposit, select confirm. And here you need to provide your card information to make the payment. So once you provide your card details, select pay. So my deposit was successful. Select close. Now let's hit refresh. And you can see $5 is now being reflected on my trading account. Now let's take it to the next step. Now we need to log into the MT5 app. So select my accounts, then select manage account, and then select account information. Here you get the server which you need to use to log into MT5 and your account ID. So I'm going to head over to my mobile phone now and show you how to log in and make your first trade. So you can get the MT5 app to download from the Play Store or the App Store if you're an Android user. So once you're in the app, you're going to select settings, then you're going to select new account, and then in companies, search for XM. So you want to search for the server name that was sent in your email. So mine was XM Global MT512. So you're going to select that server, then provide your login ID. So your login ID, you can see it here. Let me go back to my screen. This is your login ID, your MT ID, alright? And let's go back to the mobile app, and then you just need to provide your password that you use to create your account. Once you enter your password, just hit sign in. So once you enter your password correctly, you should be able to log in successfully. Again, your password is the same one that you use when you're creating the account, or the one that you use to log into the website. Now to make your first trade, simply select charts, or you can even go on quotes and then select the pair that you want to trade. So let's select Euro JPY and then select trade. And here you can buy or sell. I hope this video has helped you get started with XM. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.